Athena turned 1 today.
Awesome.
Okay.
All right. Can you tell us what's happening tomorrow?
We're going on a trip. I don't know the rest of the word.
I didn't even know that was a song.
Yes. Going on a trip. Na, 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 na.
All right. So, what's the one thing you're most excited for about this trip?
Family pictures and everywhere. That's what I'm excited for. I'm excited to take family picture in many different countries.
How do you feel about traveling with a baby?
Oh my God, I'm so excited. I've always been a person who said, we're just going to travel. The baby's going to go wherever I go. I've always been a traveler. I travel with my dog. So it's time for the baby to experience because the baby got more stamps than the average person already.
Which destination are you most excited about?
Thailand. I'm excited about Thailand because I haven't been there. I'm also kind of excited about Manchester too because I haven't been there and I'm, in there, bro. I'm trying to get all up in there.
All right. What do you think will be the biggest challenge during the trip, and how do you plan to handle it?
I think the biggest challenge that we'll probably run into during the trip is maybe the baby's sleep schedule. That might be the biggest issue. Other than that, I don't really see there being a huge issue.
All right. Now, how do you think our baby will react to the different countries and cultures and experiences?
I think he's gonna be super into it, like his mom, like his dad. We're travelers, so he's a traveler as well. I think he's gonna enjoy the different cultures. It's weaning time, so he's gonna be tasting some food. It's gonna be so interesting. I think he's gonna have a great time.
Right. Are there any specific experiences or activities you're looking forward to?
I want to mingle with the elephants. I am looking forward to the full body comprehensive exam that we're planning on getting. And really with the elephants and eating. I'm an eater, so I want to chomp chomp.
You want to make sure we pack that traveler's diarrhea kit.
Somebody got a sensitive belly.
All right. How do you plan to stay relaxed and enjoy yourself while balancing taking care of our baby?
Breastfeeding on the beach. Breastfeeding by the pool. Breastfeeding outside on the balcony. Yes. So I enjoy breastfeeding and being able to experience that with my little one in different countries. It's everything. Really, it's our whole family really traveling together that's gonna make it even better.
All right, so we got a couple more questions.
Mhm.
What's the one thing you want to buy or bring back from one of the countries we're visiting?
I would like a Von Cleef set and a Dior bag and some nice shoes. Full set accessories.
I was expecting you to say something like typical that you can get in Japan, or something typical that you can get in like a different country.
And
We're
now,
talking about things that you can shop
no, you can't. No,
San Francisco.
no. The things that I want are not sold here. Like you have to go there to get them. Like they're very specific there. That's what I want. Like, oh, you can't get it in the States. You have to go out of the country to get them. People, the girls who get it, get it. They know what I'm talking about. Yeah, I know, right?
Yeah.
To be honest with you, there's nothing that I actually really want to get. I do want to shop, but there's nothing that I really, really want to get.
How do you think traveling the world will change us as a family?
Well, we're already well cultured. I think it's going to elevate us, right? Hubby and I have gone across the world already. So to bring our son across the world with us is going to be like elevation, like, babe, we did this. We've done it, like we can do this. We can continue doing it. I feel like it's gonna make us stronger as well. I felt so something that my sister and I spoke about was a situation where a young lady had traveled with her guy, right? And she was rah-rahing. So that brought me back to our trip to Japan, the first time I went to Japan, and we were going head for alpha, because I'm an alpha female, he's an alpha male, right? And he told me how he felt about us knocking heads. So you know what? Me being a little damsel that I am, I decided to fall back and stop butting heads with him. And I feel like what that did was solidify the understanding of our relationship. Let him lead. If he's able to lead you the way, the right way, then it'll all work out. We were great. Japan was great after that. So I feel like this will be a better view of that, because I'm allowing my husband to lead. He planned the whole trip. He planned everything. Everything was my husband. So that's that. All right.
Any parting words for this video? Trip is tomorrow. Start the whole journey and all of that. Is there anything you want to say before we
Oh yeah, the O's are out of here.